Wait there, I didn't press it. You just went,
Hey guys, it's Sticky here, and today we're gonna do fidget spinner versus balloon. Dun, 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 dun. I've got my fidget spinner down here. Look, mine's glow in the dark. Glow in the dark colour first one. Look, and on the back, it's glow in the dark as well. These bits there, and bits. They go in the dark. You'll get this light from the light reflecting on these green bits, lighting up these bits. That's how it gets the light to glow in the dark. This is Connor's. I'm getting one of them, but mine's going to be gold coloured. And then this is the blue that his brother found.
we just found it.
No, his brother did.
Well, yeah. You give it to me.
For free and £5. I want a video from up at 2 seconds. And that'll see what we're doing to get this shot. Right there, can you zoom in? Attempt 1. Fail. We need to try different methods like.
Right, that failed. Attempt 2 failed. Attempt 3 failed. This balloon is now indestructible to pop.
Now we're just going to try and pop it.
Yeah, right there. I know. Right, move. I'm putting it under here, right? And right, I know. I'll pop it.
We've got this metal thing here. Or a metal pole.
Right.
A metal pole here. Just standing on it now. We just got a metal pole thing here. That's it.
What? Failed. Right there. Right.
It's actually a ladder.
Get my football shoes. Move. That could have popped.
Ladder.
How did that not pop? I was seeing the strips on there. Look sharp.
The fucking flat. Just jump on it. Just put it on the phone and go bang.
Right there.
I got my shoes on.
Right, I need some bullets.
Hey, Connor, you hold the camera. Don't turn it off though.
I'm not gonna. Don't jump on it.
It's an Akio out of nowhere. Akio, should I actually do it?
No. Because you don't want to pop it straight away.
Akio, no. Ha ha.
Failed. Right, pass. Don't do the camera down.
I missed on purpose though.
Right. This balloon, I'm going to get a surprise for you to pop it. Right, wait there. Don't bring the camera with
2
you.
seconds, guys. Right, it's back. The man himself is back. He's got Michael Picker. He's about to pop the balloon. Well, try anyway.
Alright, this one pop it.
Focused.
Right,
Camera
let's just get
focused.
started.
Yeah, I'd rather just jump on it. Akio off this ladder. I should just Akio.
No. Right, this will come with me now. Right, I'm not going to pop this.
Akio out of nowhere from the ladder.
No.
The ladder. Akio out
Where's-
of nowhere from the ladder.
Right.
I
don't know.
He's gone.
I've got the secret weapon. Pretty sharp. Out the corners. Sharp out the corners. Let's just slam out the corner.
You have to put the balloon down and then slam the thing off the clip. Oh my days, you done.
So I have to slam. Ooh. Right, now what I'm going to do is bite it. No.
Just Akio out of nowhere from the roof.
Let's fling it down the stairs. I don't want pop, but...
Let's
Oh,
do
wait
it.
there. Let's go outside though, we have to. There's another way of popping it. Let's just go outside.
Oh. Right, guys.
Right now.
I'm back. It's quite sunny. It's quite sunny.
Still doesn't even pop.
Just jump on it.
Alright.
So it'll go bang.
Right there.
Connor, go outside. Go over there and sit on it.
Oh, wait there. We need something like sharp. Hey, watch over here.
The stick in my garden. That's sharp. This one right here.
I have to hit it with it. Pet.
Yay! Yay! Look, you done it. It just went. Then it exploded.